Hello students, welcome to the class on Entrepreneurship Management. My name is Rishi Chakraborty. I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. In the concluding part of this particular presentation, from the above discussion it is seen that innovation is different from invention. As we have already seen from the point of differences, invention is the verified result of a creative idea, while innovation is the conversion of something new into useful goods and services. With this distinction in mind, innovation is perhaps the heart of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs may also be inventors, but they take the action necessary to redirect resources and convert creations into reality. Thank you very much.